And so next on our list of our CGS tools that we're going to look at is the duplicate schedule option. So you can see in my layout here I have a number of furniture assigned to the rooms, and what I want to do is to create an individual schedule, room schedule, showing what furniture is allocated to which room. So what you need to do first is to create one that you're going to use as your template. So you'll see that in the browser I've got my furniture room schedule number 1, and it just has a list of the furniture, the description, manufacturer, the room number, and how many I've got of each. And that's what I want to replicate for every single room in the project. If I was to say go up to my levels, you'll see I've got 6 levels and furniture in every single room. So that's a lot of room schedules we're going to have to generate. And so this tool that's in the CGS tools just allows us to automate that process and do it very, very quickly. So one of the things that I have done, just to show it the path, I have upgraded or up-issued the number, my room number, so furniture room number 1, and I've upped the numbers to room number 2, and it just tells the tool itself what the increment is going to be. So now I go into manage my calculated parameters, and there are a number of different preset things that you can do with these parameters, and one of them is duplicate schedules, and a list of instructions of how to write the various code that you need, or the formula that you need to get it to replicate objects or any of these other options that we've got here is just written in the list here. So there's a number of rules that you must follow. The easiest thing, what I found was, I found one that was already written and I just adapted it to my purposes. Okay. So we're going to duplicate schedules. It's going to be from the model rooms, that's what we're going to choose it from, and this is the bit of code that I've written. So you can see this is the schedule, and if we go to our schedule list, we only have the one schedule at the moment. I'll just say cancel to that for the time being, just to show you I've only got one schedule at the moment. So now we go back to calculate manage parameters, and I say OK, and off it goes. And you can see, so the first one is our reference one, and if we go to the second one on the list, so in room number 1, that's all the furniture we got, room number 2, and then room number 3, and so on. And it's done them all for the entire, and it's 49 rooms in this project, and it's done them all in a matter of seconds.